Welcome again. This is Chapter 1, Section 5, Algebra, Variables and Expressions. To begin, we're going to, of course, build your vocabulary and start talking about the fact that algebra, algebra is the language of symbols. A variable is a symbol, usually a letter, used to represent a number. Now, a symbol could be anything. You technically could use a happy face or a stick figure or anything you wanted that's a symbol to represent a number. Algebraic expressions are combinations of variables, numbers, and at least one operation. So algebraic expressions are a combination of variables, numbers, and at least one operation. To evaluate an algebraic expression, that means that find the blank of the expression. Basically, you're looking to find the value of the expression. And you can find the value after you replace the variables with a number. Sorry for that pause. With numbers. This says numbers. Next page here. All right, so examples. You need to evaluate C plus or 20 plus C if C is equal to 5. Basically what you're doing is you're replacing one symbol for what that symbol is equal to. So here is a C. Any place you see a C, you should put the number 5. So replace C with 5. So your answer is 25. And this would be some addition property or addition rule. Evaluate P minus Q if P is 14 and Q is 13. You can have as many variables as you want, but P will always equal 14 and Q will always equal 13. So P minus Q, that's 14 minus 13 because we replaced P with 14 and Q with 13 from right there. And now 14 minus 13 is 1. Oops. 14 minus 13 is 1. And we get that from a subtraction property. All right. Now it's going to involve multiplication with addition and subtraction. So you're looking at this. X is 4. X will always be 4. So take the 4, put it in for X. 2 times 4 plus 3. We replaced X with 4. Now we're using order of operations. Orders of operation, that's 8 plus 3. Do the multiplying first. And then we do addition. And you get an 11 as your answer. Now, I can write any type of equation I want. And if I say that x equals 1, that means that here's an expression, or here's an equation. And we're going to say that x equals 1. And let me make an expression again. We're going to say that x equals 1. That means every place that there is an x, there, 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 2 of them there, and there, will become a 1. So 1 over 1 minus, in parentheses, 1 squared plus 2 times y, 2 times 1 times y, plus 3, oops, keep going in the right colors here, plus 3 times 1 times 1, minus 5y to the first power. Every time I saw an x, I wrote a 1 instead. All right, evaluate this. M plus 9, m is 25. So that means all m's should be 25. Here's an m. Make that 25. 25 plus 9, 34. Here's x. Here's an x. That means that x right there should become 22. You're subtracting y. So minus. I'm in trouble with my minus signs today. So you're subtracting your y value, which is 17. 22 minus 17 is 5. Same thing here. Putting a 6 in for w. W equals 6. Plug it in. 7 plus 3 times 6. Well, work it out the rest of the way. 7 plus 18 should be 25. Here's an example. The amount of money Sabrina will need to pay for 5 binders using a $2 coupon can be represented by the expression 5x minus 2, where x is the cost of each binder. Find the amount of her purchase if each binder is $4. So it's giving us an equation to follow. And it says that x represents the number of each binder. So that means we replace x with 4. So 5 times 4 minus 2. And then we're going to order of O of O, 20 minus 2, and then subtract 18. So the amount of Sabrina's purchase is 18. All right, multiple choice. So our answer should be B. Multiple choice. Find the value of this expression. We've got 5 times, remember, times 3 plus 4g. G is 2, so put that in there. Order of operation. Order of operation says to do multiplying first. Multiplying first. Then add. 23. H should be your right solution. All right. That's it. This should have been a pretty short video for you. I hope it made sense. I hope you come with some good questions. Good luck.